Hi guys, here's a quick guide on how to export your contacts in ManyChat. ManyChat is connected to your Telegram or your Instagram or anything gram. So here's all the contacts. I found the contacts over here. You would think that if I tick off all the contacts, if I had even more, I can say bulk action and then export. You cannot do that. That doesn't matter how much money you paid for ManyChat for this tool, you cannot do that. But there's another option. You can actually export all your subscribers into Mailchimp if you want that. And from here, you can export them under audience. Under audience, there's a full guide. You can find other places on YouTube how to export from audience into a CSV file. It's very easy. But first, we have to figure out how do you export into Mailchimp. So inside your settings over here on the left side, there's something called integration. When you click that button, and I won't want to do it because I have all the information here, I don't want to have to censor all that, but it's very easy to do. So settings and then integrations, click on the Mailchimp thing. It's going to look like a button like that. And there's other tools in here, even Google Sheets that you can use. Go to automation on the left side and you click new automation and you're going to say start from scratch. This doesn't have to have a trigger. You just click actions and you choose an action over here, and in that has to be Mailchimp. Add contacts to a list, and it says what kind of stuff. Yes, email for sure, that's what I want. And then what list is it? Oh, it's this list. Okay, save, and then you can set that live. And now it's down here, Mailchimp export mails. What you can do is you can rename it so you know the name of it. Next is to go to broadcasting. Underneath broadcasting, you can see I've already created one that says Mailchimp export email. I'll teach you how to do it. Broadcast from automation. We just created an automation. We'll click this one, pick automation. And now this is it. You can go down to audience and you can click, you can see the content is here. We don't need that. We need the target audience. We'll do a condition that says system field email has any value. And now I can see that's 3,102 contacts. And so I can click send now. Don't worry, that's not going to be sent anything to your contacts because in this action, it doesn't have anything other than just an action, and it's not going to send out any email or anything. So when you click send now, it's going to send everything over to Mailchimp. And eventually, under audience, you can actually click up here, export audience, and then export the CSV file. And now you have all your contacts. You can import it to any other place you need it, or send newsletters directly from Mailchimp, or if you know how, you can even send it from ManyChat. I'm Mark Barner from Barner Design and MacGenie.com. If you want more information or you book me to get help, anything like that, I would happily help. You go to MacGenie.com, MacGeni.com, and you can book me from there.